Actually, I started translating books from English into Marathi. That was a very enjoyable experience. But while doing that, as I was interacting with publishers and fellow translators, I could see the gap as a business, that only translation is not sufficient. You need to work on that, and that takes a lot of time and energy of the publisher. So I thought that this can be converted into a complete outsourced process. I feel the translation Panacea is doing a really some useful work, because as they say, language no bar. It is true. There are so many people who are comfortable in reading in their own languages, but the knowledge is bound in English. So why language should be barred? Why a young graduate from Dhule should be deprived of some business knowledge which is written in English? It would be a complete one-stop solution for publishers' support services. We would be doing metadata maintenance for them. We would be doing book reviews for them. We would be doing other services like rights management also for them. So they will be free to do the core publishing business, and we will be supporting them with the back office services, as you can say, but very relevant to the publishing industry. We are dealing in 6 different Indian languages: Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati, Bangla, Kannada and Tamil. And foreign languages, we have most of them. We have European languages: Spanish, French, German, Italian, also native Italian, and Japanese we have, Mandarin we have, English if you call the foreign language in India, we also have that.
Yeah, whenever, as I know that whenever a new translator is approached or requested to work for Panacea, then there is a rigorous testing procedure, because a person may be writing well on his own, like creative writing, but translation is a totally different art. So one has to have or get the hang of translation, because it's not, if you decide to translate a word by word or verbatim, then you can't make it interesting for the Marathi reader or whichever language you are translating in, the target language. So that is a very good and a strict procedure I'm sure they are following. And the editing also, it goes through 2-3 different readings. So the ultimate print copy that is ready, that reaches the readers, is with no or minimal mistakes.
It starts with the selection of translator. It has to be someone who is well conversant with the subject also and master of both the languages. Suppose it's a book on philosophy, then the person has to have some experience in that, plus the mastery over 2 languages. If it's a book on medicine, again it has to be the combination. So you will see that the spirit is captured. It's not just word to word translation, it's never like that. So you have to need to capture the spirit. We have business people translating business related, even for the business network also, people who are into the business networking, they have translated business network books. So subjects, what we can say, subject expertise also comes with the language expertise. All are crazy, all are possessed, and all are book lovers, language lovers, and they want to do good work for languages. Basically, everyone is a very good reader, and we have good authors and editors and journalists also with us. So they know how the importance of language and the use of language as the expression of human thought. So we are very careful about using the language, using the various metaphors, because again it's not translation of language, but it also has to be understandable in that culture. So that also we see, and each one is expert in at least one subject besides having mastery over the language pair.
So right from the beginning, writing and editing have been my forte, so to say. And whenever I get an opportunity to use my linguistic skills, I'm really happy. And Vidula Tokekar being a very good friend, and when she started this enterprise, I was really happy and wanted to do my bit in helping her. So my first assignment for Translation Panacea was that of editing a book. And that was the first time I was editing a book that was translated. So over the years, I have seen that, since they started, how the systems have changed, how they have defined the processes, how they have become more selective about the translators and everything. And the amount of freedom, in the sense, complete faith that Vidula has in her editors, that really helps one to work properly. What I appreciate working here is, at times as an editor, you are reading something and you are not sure. You can sense that something is not translated properly, but then you don't know how to set it right. So when you talk to Vidula about it, what I'm happy about is that she knows all the books that are being translated so well. She understands the subjects herself very well. So if you approach her with a doubt, she has an answer. So it's not as if, you have nowhere to go. She has a perfectly clear idea. She herself is a very good translator, and that's why she can provide help and, see to it that a certain standard is always maintained.
काम करताना सुद्धा पॅनेशियात खूप आनंद होतो, कारण विदुला टोकेकर ह्या ज्या पॅनेशियाच्या सर्वेसर्वा आहेत त्या स्वतः खूप अभ्यास करतात त्यांच्याकडे आलेल्या पुस्तकांचा, आणि कुठली छोटी मोठी अडचण आली तरी त्याचं उत्तर विदुलाकडे असतं, हे फार महत्त्वाचं. आणि आम्हा लेखकांना नेहमीच खूप असं छान मृदू वागणारे लोक खूप आवडतात, कारण आम्ही खूप संवेदनशील असतो, आणि तो पण विदुलाचा गुण आहे की ती खूप समजावून घेते. समजा खूपच मोठी अडचण असेल, फार संकट वाटत असेल तरी ते कसं लहान आहे हे समजावून सांगते, आणि त्यामुळे खूप उत्साह येतो. थोडंसं काही वर्षांनी असं होतं की तुम्ही जेव्हा स्वतंत्र लिखाण करता तेव्हा ती तुमची शैली आणि ह्या सगळ्याचा आपोआप एक एकसुरीपणा तुमच्या कामामध्ये कितीही तुम्ही टाळायचं म्हटलं तरी येत राहतो. तो एकसुरीपणा ह्या सगळ्या भाषांतरांच्या प्रयत्नांमुळे माझा खूपसा नाहीसा झाला. ही मला म्हणजे स्वविकासाची गोष्ट त्याच्यामधली ही आहे.
Well, we do only Marathi with Panacea at the moment, and we have been associated with them since their inception. And we were looking for somebody who could deliver the goods, in the sense that not only the quality of translations, but also the parts that go behind it, editing, proofreading, everything, the entire package. What we found was that they could deliver the goods perfectly. And the association grew, and here we are. They've done about 40 books for us until now. They are very good at delivery, yes.
They are starting coming up with the various other languages also, Gujarati, Kannada. I think we would like to strengthen on that, because we are publishing these two languages also now. I think we would like to strengthen in that segment also, that we get these services in these languages and other languages which they plan to start. Because so far all our books have been well accepted, and Manjul's books, I think people wait really when the Manjul's books is coming. It means that we are giving the quality. So I think they are totally on those parameters, on the quality parameters.